A Hong Kong court on Tuesday completed the mitigation hearing of one-time media tycoon Jimmy Lai and 8 others convicted. The hearing was originally scheduled for 4 days. The court in December convicted Lai of 2 counts of conspiring with others to collude with foreign forces and conspiracy to publish seditious articles. The others have also been convicted of conspiring to collude with foreign forces. Musin Ai reports.
The hearing resumed at West Kowloon Law Courts on Tuesday morning. Jimmy Lai and 8 others convicted sat together in a dock. 6 of the 8 were former Apple Daily employees. On the second day, the court first heard the mitigation of Chan Pui-man, Apple Daily's former associate publisher. Chan pleaded guilty to a count of conspiracy to collude with foreign forces back in 2022. Chan's defense proposed a starting point for a 10-year sentence with a 50% discount. The defense said Chan was only responsible for the printed version of Apple Daily, while the more serious parts of the conspiracy were not her responsibility. Her barrister argued that Chan had voiced her concerns on several occasions and objected to Jimmy Lai's idea about a talk show program in October 2020. Judge Alex Lee questioned Chan's objection, saying she objected because the format of the program didn't match Apple Daily's style. The defense for Ryan Law, the newspaper's former editor-in-chief, only pleaded for a discount in sentencing, saying his client had pleaded guilty. For Lam Jones mitigation, the former executive editor-in-chief, the defense stressed that he was a subordinate of Chan Pui-man and was only responsible for the printed version of Apple Daily's Chinese news. The barrister described Lam's involvement as a conspiracy agreement by conduct, and he was dragged into this deep, muddy water as an employee. Judge Esther To questioned that Lam was involved as an editor when he edited the content. The defense for Fong Wai Kwon, the former editor-in-chief of Apple Daily's English news, said he was not included in the inner circle of the editorial board. Judge Alex Lee said that the purpose of English news was to reach a wider readership. Lee said Fong's timing of rejoining Apple Daily was crucial because it was a month before the implementation of the national security law. When asked about Fong's mitigating factors, Fong's defense said the most powerful one was his early guilty plea. The last mitigation came from the defense of Apple Daily's former editorial writer, Yuan Chengqi. In the submission, the defense said Yuan should be categorized as the lowest in culpability regarding the conspiracy because he was just a mid-level employee who took orders from supervisors. His barrister added that Yuan has shown a clear demonstration of remorse by being the first to assist the police investigation voluntarily. The court has not provided an exact date for the sentencing, but it will inform the parties as soon as possible. Musin Ai, TVB News.